Nagpo-post ka naman araw-araw pero parang walang pumapansin. Bakit nga ba hindi dumadami ang followers mo? Don't worry, hindi lang ikaw ang nakaka-experience nito. Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa iyo ang proven formula to attract, nurture, and convert your audience into a loyal follower and eventually clients. Ang unang tanong, sino ang gusto mong i-attract? Hindi pwedeng basta mag-post ka na lang, dapat specific ang target audience mo. First-time home buyers ba? Post ka ng mga beginner-friendly na tips. For investor ba? Mag-share ka ng market trends. Kapag swak ang content mo sa audience mo, mas magiging interesado sila sa'yo. Hindi sapat ang mag-attract ka lang ng followers. Kailangan mo i-nurture ang relationship ninyo. Paano? Reply to comments and DM. Make them feel na importante sila sa'yo. Educational post, magbigay ka ng valuable na info like step to buy a house or pag-ibig housing tips. Consistency, post regularly para lagi kang nasa isip nila at ang brand mo. Tandaan mo, trust takes time to build. Kapag ready na ang audience mo, dun na papasok ang conversion. Don't be afraid to add a clear CTA or call to action sa mga post mo like message me for more details or schedule a house viewing today. Kapag na-establish mo na ang trust, mas madali nang mako-convert ang followers mo into an actual client. Kung hindi dumadami ang followers mo, baka ito na yung dahilan. Inconsistent posting. Kung minsan ka lang mag-post, makakalimutan ka ng mga audience mo. Too salesy content. Huwag puro benta. Focus ka din sa mga value. Ignoring engagement. Kapag hindi ka nagre-reply, nawawala ang connection mo. Avoid this mistake and watch your follower grow. Attract, nurture, and convert. That is the secret to growing your followers and turning them into clients. Kung gusto mo na mas ma-master ang social media strategy mo, join my team. Baguhan ka man o seasoned agent na, I will teach you step-by-step process to grow your online presence. Get more leads and close more deals. Message me today and let's make your real estate career unstoppable.